Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this is the 2019 Sailfish 220cc. At the bow at the 22 Sailfish, you have your anchor locker, your pop-up light, your pull-up cleats, forward seating, starboard and port matching fish boxes, comfortable bow seating, same backrest, serves as a bolster for when you're fishing. Your compartment below your console, bow table. Here we are at the helm of the Sailfish 220cc. This boat is powered with Mercury 200 outboard 4-stroke, has a digital throttle, tilt wheel with power knob, Garmin touchscreen electronic, standard Horizon VHF, Lenco trim tabs with indicators. It has on top of the console storage. Sailfish 220cc comes standard with a hard top. This has the optional underside color to match the hull. Has speakers in the hard top, courtesy lights, spreader lights, 4 rod holders above, 4 below. Seat flips forward, and you have storage in the helm seat as well. At the transom, we have a live well, pull-up ski pole, additional rod holders, cup holders. There's a saltwater washdown as well as a freshwater shower. On the transom, we have the new Mercury 200 4-stroke. This has been Jim Ferg from MarineMax in Long Beach Island, and this was the Sailfish 220cc. You can contact me at 609-494-2102. Thank you.